Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay account restricted issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're facing this issue and your account is restricted, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply verify your identity within the wallet app. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings and then scroll it below and go to wallet and Apple Pay, and then you have to go to add card, and from here you have to simply go to debit or credit card, and then tap on continue and scan your card first, and after this go back and now go to your identity. Simply go to driver's license or ID cards, and now go to digital ID, and from here tap on continue and verify your identity, and after this go back, and now you have to simply check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply turn off screen time restrictions on your Apple device. So guys, for that you have to simply go to screen time and then scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open your ID and then you have to scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, go to general and then go to software update and update your software. After this go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time, then go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any, simply disconnect it. So guys, do this and check if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open App Store, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.